Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to make a transparent background in Canva Mobile. To create a transparent background in the Canva Mobile app, you must use a Canva Pro account to export as a PNG and check the transparent background box in the download settings. Right? You can click here, the photo that I just uploaded, and see below there's place, select, adjust, BG remove or background remover. So I'm gonna press it, right? I'm gonna choose BG remove. As you can see, I've hit a paywall. So you need to upgrade in order to remove background. Alternatively, you can use a BG removal or BG remover tool on images for cleaner results, which is free. So you can go ahead to your browser, right? And then just type BG remover. You're gonna choose the first website. Hit upload image from your photo library or files. Let's say I'm choosing this image. I'm gonna hit done. All I gotta do is just wait. As you can see, the background has been successfully removed. Hit download at the bottom left. Press preview. You can download it for free. Consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.